I'm Dr. Shruti Garg. Today I was surprised to see such a huge registration. We had completed around 32 long cases and 32 structured discussions, and I feel it is very difficult to include 32 long cases in a mock exam. And we as a team of RFA really work hard to make this happen. The examiners are being selected meticulously. We do prepare for our stations. We do read about it. So we need to read not only as candidates but also as examiners, because the standards have been set really, really high. I thank the entire team of RFA to make it happen, and we would expect more and more candidates to get benefited by RFA teams. Thank you.
Welcome to all of you. I'm sure that it would be a different feeling seeing online Zoom and practically being here. I can understand that post-exam, pre-exam feelings are very, very different, and we all pass through this. We know that the fear which we have today, that is very difficult to control, and the mock exam feeling, that is an apprehension. Oh my God, what would happen in exam? How would I go ahead with this? Lots of information in the head. Would I be able to process that information? All these thoughts we all had when we were sitting at your place. And it's not the first exam. I'm sure that you have passed through this earlier as well. But I don't know, somehow we forget the older times and we feel, no, this is the most difficult one. That was easy.
Apart from exams, wonderful experience meeting Dr. Sidra personally was like a cherry on cake. She's really, really very encouraging and compassionate person. I would definitely like to recommend this RFA Mrcpi mock exam for everyone who is looking forward to clear their exam in first go. Thank you.
Definitely recommend this Rfa Tutors for all the Mrcpi preparations and all the Mrcpi, IPCOC, all this preparation. I definitely recommend this Rfa Tutors. And yes, again, we are longing to meet Dr. Sidra personally since so many years. So our dream is also fulfilled by meeting Dr. Sidra personally. So that was again a real good thing. Thank you.